yourself in the microwave.
To say still sits in silence. Place up high where dust is raining. There's words written with hope remaining. Letters signed sincerely. Goodbye.